Welcome to Future Technology Explorer, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest innovations in science and technology. In today's episode, we are going to take a look at the Tesla Robot Update 223, the newest version of the humanoid robot that Elon Musk unveiled in 2022. The Tesla robot is designed to perform tasks that are boring, repetitive, or dangerous for humans, such as cleaning, gardening, or factory work. It can also interact with humans using natural language and gestures, and learn from its environment using artificial intelligence. The Tesla Robot Update 223 features improved mobility, agility, and autonomy, as well as a sleeker design and a more expressive face. It also comes with a range of accessories and customization options to suit different needs and preferences. Let's see how the Tesla Robot performs in some real-life scenarios and what people think about it. Stay tuned for more future technology explorations.